All right, welcome to another video. We're going to go ahead and take a look at AMC. AMC, it's kind of dead. Yep, I said it again. It's still dying and it continues to die. We've talked about this company probably about a year ago. If you look at the channel here, just zoom in a little bit. Didn't really get much views, but I looked at, hey, is it time to sell? Way back when, crash. I mean, normally stocks that go up as a high flyer, they usually crash and burn anyway. You can take a look at these videos here in the past. It's not anything new. We talked about it before. Here, take a look. This thing was at 23 bucks back in the day in December, had some patterns there and continued to kind of roll over. So as we look at AMC right now, that was way over here. Look at this. Way over here, we've had this pattern right there. Said, hey, cheap stocks are cheap for a reason. Here was our A to B, B to C, C to D pattern. Went up here and now just continues to dwindle. And if you're still thinking you're going to ride the AMC train, chances are probably not. This thing still kind of is, it's going under. I mean, it's a Titanic slow ship that's kind of going under. Now, could it get into about $2 right here, get some stability and hold some support? Yeah, absolutely. Look, you might not like me saying it, but the stock is cheap and cheap stuff usually they continue to go down. Yeah, there's a lot of news here that's happening with AMC. If you just kind of take a look at what's going on, we've got stock sliding, AMC stock slides while we've got the APEs rising here. Let me go into right here. Here we go. Here's the browser. So I took a look at some of these articles, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. What matters is, what's the stock doing? What's behaving? Are people putting money on the line? Other than that, you could pump it full of news, whatever, and you could say this is the reason, but it really doesn't matter. What matters is how much capital is in there. Is it good to put your money in? And if you had, let's say, $100,000, would you put 99,000 in there? No, probably not. So spread your money, spread your capital. Don't put everything in one stock. And that's the same thing here. So here's kind of all the headlines there and what we've got going on. And definitely the stock is not doing fantastic at all. And I don't think it'll continue. I mean, does it make great YouTube videos of people searching for it? Sure, it could do that. But overall, the stock is not doing so hot. Look, continues to go down. People are slowly getting rid of it. And, and it's been doing that for a while. So when you look at it here, you kind of rode that hype train all the way up to 50 from way down here. It had a double bottom, came up, and then just slowly coming back to its normal average price. The behavior continues to be there. Yeah, you had a nice move there. But other than that, the stock's pretty much dead. Does it make some great news? Yeah, it does. But overall, from a trading perspective, there's not much to go on here. Now, who's trading it? Probably the retailers, regular folks. You got 24 million, a lot of shares, but not a lot of shares priced well. So to get this thing moving, it's just not looking good. Anyway, if we look at kind of here with AMC, like compare it to some of the big boys here, Apple and Microsoft, Amazon. I mean, everybody's doing well. Look at, we're up $2 here, $4 on Microsoft, actually moving quite well, a lot more so right now than what we were earlier. So things are picking up some speed. If we look at kind of the big board zones here, here's a bunch of other companies here as well. So we got GME over here, GameStop, also down a little bit. So again, those high flyers, they pull back. Anyway, I hope you're not, too soaked in onto AMC thinking it's going to do phenomenal or fantastic. They just don't pan out very well. But could you nibble a little here and there? Sure. But, don't throw all your money into that one spot. Anyway, hope that helps. Truly appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great week ahead, and I will see you next time.